Hi you guys, so I got a Misfit box today and I thought I would do an unboxing, and as you can see I have my nuts there. I'm still vacuum sealing. I have my nuts and some avocados, and then I think I am done. I'm going to plug us in because our battery is low, so hopefully that wasn't noisy. So I'm going to get these cold packs out. So we have a couple of yellow squash, and after I unpack all of this, I wash everything with vinegar and water. Then I wrap paper towel around it, put it in a Ziploc, and put it in the refrigerator. That way nothing, if I just put this in the refrigerator like this, by tomorrow it will start turning yucky. So just a little hint there, even your grocery store stuff, bring it home, wash it all with vinegar and water, and you'll get some more life out of it, especially berries. So we got some oyster mushrooms. So I'll have to make an Asian dish this week. I got some mini cucumbers. They look to be in pretty good shape, no mushiness. I got, stuck to the mushrooms, a package of Dave's Killer Bread English muffins. I think we'll have curry one day. I got another package of the Smash Mallow. This one is cinnamon churro. I got, because I think these were $1 something, some Ghirardelli semi-sweet chocolate chips. I got some traditional pita bread. Have to do some hummus and pita chips. And I got some naan, garlic naan, so I'll probably do our canned beef curry with this. I can smell the garlic. Got a couple of bell peppers. This was my 1 penny purchase. They had gravy, this, and some kind of weird drink. So I got the olives. I'll just pop them in my husband's lunch pail. I got some sour cream. Let's move these things. I got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Oh, I got some hummus. So I'll make some pita chips. We got some Italian sausage links. We got some oven roasted turkey breast. I like to just snack on that. And they had feta, so I got some feta for, future salads. And I got another bacon ends and pieces, and I'll be doing a canning video. I wrote a list, you guys. I have a list, and I've already done 2 of the videos on the list. So I have a list of the videos I'm going to do, so I make sure that I get them done. So one of them is I have pieces, like, see, that one's really thick. The ones that don't look, you know, great for like keeping for beans in the freezer, I'm gonna make and can bacon bits. So that video will be coming. And we have a dehydrating and recanning hominy video coming. Those are the next 2 videos coming up. Well, I guess after maybe this haul video, since this came today. So, got to finish my vacuum sealing. Then I will be recanning a big old, I got 2 cans of hominy. And then I have some heads of cabbage I want to dehydrate. And then the bacon bits, I have a list, and this is on the list. So anyways, I hope you all are doing well. You stay safe, you stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next video.